The crypto market is effectively attacking the regular daily existences of thousands of individuals on the planet. Each coin brings its credits to the table, some of which are more appropriate for explicit use cases than others. One of those coins, LITECOIN, was laid out in 2011 and began a long history of development and improvement. This altcoin from the Bitcoin-based universe has become one of the most productive advanced tokens to put resources into, as it offers quicker exchanges and lower expenses than most other cryptos. In this cost forecast, we'll feature LITECOIN's fundamentals and its future as a drawn-out speculation. If it's not too much trouble, recollect these LTC cost expectations don't comprise speculation guidance. Do careful exploration prior to putting resources into any digital currency. What is LITECOIN, LTC? LITECOIN, LTC, is an altcoin that was presented in 2011 by Charlie Lee to make digital currency exchanges quicker, reasonable, and proficient. Named as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, LTC is positioned among the main 20 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. Like Bitcoin, LITECOIN is a crypto resource that uses a public record to record exchanges and proprietorship. However, it varies from Bitcoin in key respect. Its ideal interest group is a lot more modest. Additionally, though Bitcoin's motivation was to go about as cash for the crypto market, LITECOIN was essentially worked to support against Bitcoin's cost instability by permitting quicker exchange times and lower exchange expenses than BTC. LITECOIN, LTC. Technical analysis. Your advancement in exchanging relies upon utilizing the proper system. Thus, it's really smart to try them hard and fast and look at how well every strategy functions for you. The following are a few exchanging strategies utilizing specialized investigation. Ikimoku technique. Ikimoku Kinko-hyo is a day exchanging indicator created by Japanese specialist Goichi Hisoto following quite a while of study. There are many apparatuses accessible in the marker to assist you with precisely foreseeing the cost heading. At the point when the cost crosses beneath the gauge, a negative sign is given. On balance volume strategy. The figures of the exchanging pointer on balance volume are fixated on the volume stream. Consolidating the OBV approach with different pointers yields the best outcomes as the signs are easy to decipher. An upturn happens when the volume increments, while a slump demonstrates slow volume. MACD strategy. The moving average convergence divergence is a marker that informal investors basically use to survey the strength of patterns, indicate their course, and pinpoint potential defining moments. For instance, the MACD histogram's emotional ups and downs demonstrate that the cost is either oversold or overbought. Subsequently, you could see a cost circle back signal. Holding strategy. This system's center standard is to cling to the digital money until its cost expansions later on and by no means sell it. Purchasing and holding is the most straightforward speculation technique and requires no specialized skill. So you don't need to stress over missing out on the drawn-out advantages of LTC assuming you utilize this strategy. LITECOIN, LTC, fundamental analysis. LITECOIN ventured separated from other adversary cryptographic forms of money because of its progressions like quicker block proliferation speeds and taking on the script hashing calculation. It likewise stayed away from a premean, permitting blockchain-based crypto engineers to mine coins before the venture is disclosed. One significant component helping it out is its reliability. Subsequently, it is viewed as the silver of the crypto market, a trustworthy digital money that can be utilized to exchange at a sensibly fair cost since it hasn't had any imminent double dealing. The digital money is currently likewise popular with brokers and examiners who exchange on its cost in view of its limited stock and issuance limitations. Thus, LTC can be utilized in a portfolio to give financial backers perceivability to the developments of the cryptographic money market with next to no horrendous shocks in light of its constancy. Since there are lower charges on the LITECOIN network than on networks with weighty exchange costs, it guarantees security is a lot less complex. It is acknowledged by numerous crypto installment passages and is utilized to buy labor and products also. LITECOIN, LTC, current price. LITECOIN is as of now worth $59.39. LTC has moved 5.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $584,360,811. Litecoin is as of now position 21 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,213,854,614 Litecoin, LTC, price prediction 2022. Litecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. LTC. The LTC cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $89.08. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $83.14 and cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. LTC is supposed to have a base worth of $71.26. Litecoin, LTC, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Litecoin LTC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of LTC will before long outperform $148.46. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the LTC's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, LTC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $118.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $130.65. Litecoin, LTC, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $207.85 and LTC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. LTC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $190.03 and a low of $178.16 in 2024. Litecoin, LTC, price prediction 2025. Assuming Litecoin effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the LTC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LTC will be green in 2025. The LTC is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $267.24, with a base cost of $237.54 and a typical cost of $249.42. Litecoin,